Namaste and a very warm welcome to all our dear parents. It's a joy to have each one of you here as we begin another exciting academic year 2026-27. Myself Lakshmi Prabha is here to share with you the plans and process we have made for this academic year. Today, it is not just an orientation, it is the beginning of a partnership for your child's growth. Before we begin, I would like to leave you with a thought-provoking question. 20 years from now, what kind of person would you like your child to become? Most of us may not immediately think of marks or rank. We think of qualities such as kindness, confidence, responsibility, and so on. That is exactly why education must focus both the mind and the heart. Our vision is to nurture globally ready students with strong Indian roots. Our mission is built around communication, creativity, critical thinking, empathy, collaboration, innovation, and respect for Indian values and traditions. These are not just words on paper, they are the qualities we strive to cultivate every day in our classrooms. This year, our theme is Together We Care. In a world that often emphasizes competition, we want our children to also learn compassion, inclusion, teamwork, and emotional well-being. So, the theme will just not be on the paper, but it will be in the thoughts, words, and actions throughout this academic year. So, dear parents, before we move to the academic plans, let us look at the leadership at PDM, the subject heads, and the proud moment of carrying the NABET accreditation certification by PDM for the 5th consecutive year, through which the school organogram is built, the power sharing, the roles and responsibilities of the staff members clearly defined, and the happy moment all ended well with the school toppers of class 12 board examination outcomes of both class 10 and 12. So we share the school strength inclusive of students, teaching staff, post-scholastic, and all the other special members such as the school counselor, special educator, school health inspector, and so on. The news from CBSE, the new initiatives, the computational thinking and AI is a dedicated curriculum which is being now added to classes 3 to 8 by CBSE. The teachers who will be handling computational thinking will be math, computer science, science, and English teachers. Next comes the 3 languages we always follow and teach, but it is being emphasized by CBSE again. So it is English, Hindi or Tamil as second language, Hindi or Tamil as third language. This is the timetable with period allotments for class 1 to 5, and teachers are assigned for these classes. The curriculum that we follow is Chrysalis, which ignites the 4 facets of thinking: look deep, look beyond, look around, and look within. So as per Chrysalis curriculum, it is not just classrooms, but it is think rooms. The teaching and learning approach in PDM primary is activity-based learning and we adapt the 4 learning styles and align the lesson plan to the 4 learning styles, so all the students are taken care of. Chrysalis also offers the digital learning, which is a AI-driven advanced augmented reality technology known as the Genie tool. The teaching learning ambience is well created in all the classrooms as well as in the special rooms. So the classroom charts, the word walls, the digital boards and the lab facilities are available and is also utilized at its best by all the students. The STEM learning sessions, there are 2 labs that function for classes 1 to 4 and 5 to 8, 2 periods dedicated in a week. Students learn hands-on experiences in integrating science, technology, engineering and mathematics. The remedial sessions are planned for students from class 3 to 5 who score below 35% and who will be required to attend the remedial classes, which will be conducted after school hours from 3:10 to 4:20 p.m. either 2 or 3 days in a week. Now, after the first cycle test based on the marks the students achieve, the list will be shared with the parents and the remedial sessions will begin. Remediation facilitation. This is for the future achievers where a few students have some problems in their learning journey. Students are identified by the vice principal and they will be taken for learning assessment by parents. Based on the report that we receive, the sessions will be planned up. With the special educator, students will be attended to become strong in the foundational basics in language and mathematics. Assessment is viewed as a tool for growth. In PVM primary classes, the assessment schedule is shared in the diary and also here on the slide, which says the number of cycle tests and the term test that will be conducted throughout the academic year. The internal assessments are part and parcel of the teaching and learning process, so no announcement will be given to the students or parents regarding the same, and the internal marks will be added along with the cycle test and term assessments. The students will be evaluated in a holistic way according to the CBSE and NEP 2020. So, the 360-degree report of a child's growth and development will be shared with the parents, which will focus mainly on literacy, numeracy, habits, social skills and creativity. So parents, my request is when your child comes home from school, let us ask, what did you learn today? And let us not focus much on the marks that they get. For this, we share a few points that parents have to know regarding the academic process. The study material will be shared at the beginning of every month. Students should not learn just the question answers that is there in the classwork or the worksheets, but they have to be trained to read the lesson, understand and keep them ready to answer any questions that is posted. So completely no memorization, and we have to encourage our child to answer in their own words. I request parents to practice reading both in English and second language at home, each for at least 10 minutes a day, and give some dictation words, at least 5 minimum in number, each day in English and second language, so they become competent learners. Along with academics, we strongly focus on life skills and safety. The Karadi Path, which is nothing but a language strengthening initiative, is offered to class 1 to 4, where children use stories and songs as incredibly powerful tools. The newspaper in education, Pattam from Dinamalar and Times of India, is issued to students of classes 4 to 8. Hello Britannica, which is a language lab that helps students to build fluency, is offered to classes 3 to 10. The Scholastic Short Reads, which is nothing but theme-based reading cards, which challenges fiction and non-fiction topics, is offered to class 5 and 6. Children Against Child Abuse, KAKA, is a life skill and safety net program that makes the child know the special rights for children, be aware of personal safety, and also to understand the Child Protection Act, which is called as POCSO. What happens beyond the classrooms and textbooks but in school? Let us look at a few things around here. The good practices of PVM, which we follow every day, every week, every month, annually or biannually, is listed in the school diary and a few here on the slide. We go to the co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities are competitions which is conducted throughout the academic year. This year we plan to conduct 8 activities and student is expected to participate in all the competition and keep it as a good opportunity to learn. The club activities, we have so many clubs around there and there is fun, learning, laughter and happiness in involving and participating in all the activities. The school assembly is such an engaging program which is designed to inspire young minds, which connects values to civic duties, and we observe a lot of national and international days as date of remembrance. Let me share the mega events that are planned for the year. The Bal Khel Mela, which is the annual sports day, Kalakriti, the inter-school competitions, the Akriti, which is the invitational tournament that is conducted for sports, Bal Pradarshani, the whole school project exhibition, Prasannotsav, which is the annual day celebrations, and Model United Nations Conference. The schedule for all this is given in the school diary. Sports coaching plan for class 4 and 5. Students will be selected by the physical education department and will be coached after school hours to be a part of the school team. So students are also enrolled for Scouts and Guides, Cubs and Bulbuls, for which the classes will happen after school hours. The next 2 slides will put forth what parents have to know about the school discipline and the expected behavior. Regularity to school and punctuality is very important. Parents are requested to check and sign the student diary daily. Personal cleanliness and keeping the classroom clean is expected from every student. We all have to know that uniform means it is just not the dress but the ID cards, shoes and socks, the belt for boys, and a proper haircut for boys and a hairstyle also for boys and girls. Students should be well behaved, failing which the matter will be addressed and parents will be included in the inquiry. Especially harming other students and talking abusive words is strictly not recommended. These are some of the do's and don'ts. So when do we meet teachers? Only on parent-teacher meeting dates, and parents not to approach any teachers through phone calls, as after school it is their private time and they should not be disturbed for any reason. With regard to competitions and its results, the judge's decision is the final one and parents have to adhere to the same. So anything happens, any issue happens among the students, parents should approach the teacher or the school and not to take up the matter directly with the parents. Also, check and go through the student diary daily so that you will be knowing about what is happening in the school, more about the rules and regulations given in the diary to be known and to be followed. Birthdays. Celebrating birthdays, yes, students up to class 8 is allowed to wear colored dress, that too Indian dress, and come to school. Chocolates and gifts are strictly not allowed whether it is for the student or the staff members. Sharing the student safety measures that is taken up by the school. Fire alarm is fixed on each floor and the students are trained to evacuate to safe assembly points in case of need. The fire safety cylinder, the fire hose reels are kept active and the staff is trained to use the same during needs. Yellow safety tapes are pasted in areas where the students have to be alert. A team of staff and support staff are being trained with certification to give the first aid. Regarding the menu plan and the food, as mentioned in the diary, the school follows the vegetarian policy. So students have to bring only healthy food to school, and what quantity is required, only that much quantity is to be sent by the parents. Wasting food will have to be strictly avoided. So let us look at the list of the communication tools. That is, the student diary will be filled by the student every day. Broadcast messages are sent to the student. The monthly news bulletin is sent by the school on the first working day of every month. All the information, the circulars, the keynotes, the worksheets are posted in the school app. Teaching learning planner of every month is shared on the first working day of the month. The Beyond the Boundaries circular will have details about students' achievement in the previous month, whether it is the class awards or badges or assembly awards or the academic awards. Complaint handling procedure. Parents can send the complaints through the school app or write a mail as given to the email ID. Write in the student diary or come in person to office. On emergency, parents can make a phone call and the school will acknowledge and attend to the complaint and reply within 24 to 48 hours. Finally, intelligence plus character building will be the prime focus of education, and PVM will sincerely focus on making it happen. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for making yourself available today and to listen to this patiently. Thank you very much. We look forward for a fruitful academic year. Thank you.